Hello and welcome to the Golden Nuggets Health and Wellness Channel. I'm Dr. Elect Starr, and we're excited to bring you our new weekly inspirations. Sunday morning manna, food for the soul. So food, so good. If you love the Word of God, you'll love Sunday manna. Monday prayer meditation. This is a time for spiritual renewal for the mind, body, and soul. Come and pray with us for our families, our communities, and our world. Wednesday Brunch and Learn, featuring trainings, workshops, and topics for the mind, body, and soul. And to kick things off, we're featuring our 5-part series, Understanding and Navigating Grief. This will guide you through the grief process, types of grief and loss, healthy coping strategies, and ways to find support and healing. If you or someone you know is struggling with grief and loss, this series is for you. Join us and nourish your mind, body, and soul. Here's our schedule. Sunday Manna, 10 a.m. Monday Prayer Meditation, 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. And Wednesday Brunch and Learn, 10 a.m. Follow along, engage, and let's grow together.